ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଆମ ମଠର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ଶ୍ରୀମତ୍ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଆତ୍ମପ୍ରଭାନନ୍ଦଜୀ କହିବି ସେ ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭିକ ଭାଷଣ ଏବଂ ଅତିଥି ପରିଚୟ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବେ।
ओं जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो सित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। कालिन्दी फुल्लकमले माधवेन क्रीडारतः ब्रह्मानन्दं नमस्तुभ्यं सद्गुरो लोकनायक। Most revered Srimad Swami Gautamānandaji Maharaj, Vice President Ramakrishna Math and Mission, respected Swami Subiranandaji Maharaj, General Secretary of Ramakrishna Math and Mission, Swami Bodhosaranandaji Maharaj, Assistant General Secretary Ramakrishna Math and Mission, Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Department of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, Mrs. Aparajita Sarangi, Honorable Member of Parliament, Bhubaneswar. Sri Ashok Chandra Panda is scheduled to come here after some time. Dear brother monks, delegates from different ashramas and institutions, distinguished guests and friends, I, on behalf of the inmates of the ashrama and also as a representative of our General Secretary, extend a hearty and cordial welcome to all of you to the inaugural ceremony of this year-long centenary celebration of Ramakrishna Math and Mission Bhubaneswar, founded by Swami Brahmanandaji Maharaj, a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Deva in 1919. It is indeed a rare privilege and also a matter of honor for me to stand here before you on this auspicious occasion and sacred moment in the history of the Ramakrishna Math and Mission Bhubaneswar. Before I speak a few words on this historic moment, I bow down to the monks and brahmacharis who worked here in the past during the last 100 years. I pay my reverence to the devotees and friends who extended their assistance for the development of the ashrama. I also pay respect to the workers who gave their labor of love for gradual expansion of this holy temple campus during the last 100 years. Eminent personalities of Odisha who helped us, rendered their assistance directly or indirectly were Utkalamani Gopabandhu Das, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab, Padma Bhushan Radhakanta Ratho, Sri Navakrishna Chaudhary, Sri Biren Mitra, Sri Biju Patnaik, Sri Janaki Vallabh Patnaik. I pay my homage to the hallowed memory of Prema Manjari Devi, the Queen of Balangir, better known as Ranima, a great soul who donated her house with the entire campus to the Bhubaneswar Math in the name of her Guru, Swami Sivanandaji Maharaj. Bhubaneswar has been sanctified by the touch of the holy feet of Sri Sri Sarada Devi, the divinest consort of Sri Ramakrishna Deva, who visited Lingaraj temple in the year 1904. 10 monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna Deva visited Bhubaneswar Math on different dates. Even after 100 years of its foundation, the devotees and visitors get thrilled to remember that Swami Brahmanandaji, the spiritual son of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, lived here, walked on the roads here, and blessed those who came in contact with him. It was started as a nucleus of Math's activities, and now it has become one of the prestigious centers of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. Shankaranandaji, the direct disciple of Brahmanandaji, had to give manual labor to construct this temple building. It took 2 years for the completion of the construction. Brahmanandaji was all praise for Bhubaneswar, who termed as Gupta Kasi. Now it is called the city of temple. He was fully aware of Odisha, the famous all over the world for the great Kalinga War, which proved the heroism of the Odia people, and who bravely resisted the aggression of Ashoka, who ultimately was converted from Chandasoka to Dharmasoka. Brahmanandaji predicted that Bhubaneswar would flourish one day and it would be rich, extensive and prosperous to be an important center of activities of Odisha. His prediction has come to be true today. I also reverentially recall the great contribution of my predecessors for the development of the ashrama. Our activities include daily offering of prayer, shrine and reward publication unit, along with a book sale counter, charitable dispensary with specialized doctors, and a high school with 500 students. and well-equipped library, a tribal students' hostel, a guest house to accommodate the devotees and visitors from different states of our country. The president of today's ceremony, Swami Gautamananda Ji, is known to many of you as a spiritual mentor, but he has spent major portion of his life for the uplift of the Adivasis and downtrodden of Arunachal Pradesh. Both Swami Gautamananda Ji and Swami Subirananda Ji Maharaj have outstanding contribution to the promotion of education and national awareness of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. We are grateful to revered Maharaj as he had to cancel his Diksha program at Aurangabad ashram to accept our invitation. We are grateful to Subirananda Ji Maharaj who has kindly agreed to attend this program amidst the heavy preoccupations. When he was the secretary of Deoghar Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapith, I had the privilege to work with him as the principal of the institution. I am extremely happy and grateful to Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, who is the Minister of the Department of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, for his kind presence in the ceremony, even though he is now overburdened with his important assignments as the Cabinet Minister of the country. We remember Mr. Pradhan, who very kindly allotted funds for to transfer our old tribal hostel building into a well-equipped modern hostel. Hope Sri Pradhan will kindly consider our proposal for the construction of a Centenary Hall. He is the great admirer of Swami Vivekananda. During his last visit to our ashram, Mr. Pradhan told us, I shall be very happy to see that every house of Odisha has a copy of biography of Swami Vivekananda. Our hearty welcome to Mrs. Aparajita Sarangi, Honorable Member of Parliament of Bhubaneswar constituency, for her kind participation on this joyful and auspicious moment. He served Odisha as a successful bureaucrat. Now he is serving as the representative of the people of Odisha to Parliament. We are extremely happy to have in our midst, of course he is absent here, Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister, Department of Science Culture. He is due to come here after some time. In fact, Sri Panda has joined us. Panda would join here not as a guest. He is now one of the students of our school. I welcome all the monks and brahmacharis present here, distinguished guests, media persons, officials of the Indian Oil Corporation, HPCL, Bhubaneswar, and those of Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation on this auspicious occasion. I remember with gratitude the valuable assistance of Sri Pranab Prakash Das, the member of the Legislative Assembly, Jajpur. The worthy son of Ashok Das was a great friend of ours. No words are sufficient to express our thanks and gratitude to the government of Odisha for their support for the preparation of the ceremony by all means possible. I place one request before Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, the central government representative of the central government, to endorse our proposal for the declaration of our temple building as a heritage building. Now we have reached a milepost of 100 years. This is time to look back and also the time to look forward. Dear audience, you know the messages of Sri Ramakrishna Deva, Swami Vivekananda and Holy Mother have no date of expiry. It will continue to inspire people everywhere. Swami Vivekananda once told, I shall never cease to work, I shall inspire men everywhere until the world shall know that he is the one with God. Mo পরিশেষরে মঠতরপরু উপস্থিত সমস্ত রামকৃষ্ণ প্রেমী এবং ଏହି ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନର ପ୍ରତି ଯେଉଁ ଭକ୍ତମାନଙ୍କର ତଥା ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କର ଅକୁଣ୍ଠ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ତଥା ଅବଦାନ ରହିଅଛି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଆଜିର ଏହି ଶୁଭ ଅବସରରେ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଅଛି। ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରେ ଏହିଭଳି ଆଶ୍ରମ ପ୍ରତି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ରହିବ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।